Good morning. My name is James Xu, Head of Operations, Vivitek EMEA, and welcome to our booth, Vivitek booth at ISE 2015. I'm going to show you a new product that we have. It's called the Novoconec. That is a wireless presentation system and collaboration system that allows to have multiple people to collaborate in the meeting room or in the classroom. So what I have today to show you is a whiteboard with an ultra short throw projector, a full HD that is also finger touch, by the way. But the product that is interesting us today is this small product. This product is the Novoconec, and it's a small Android PC that is connected to the projector, and we actually have a full HD device that is connected to the projector, and it allows also to have up to 64 simultaneous connections, whether you have a PC, Windows 7 and Windows 8, or a Mac OS, or whether it's an iPad or iPhone or smartphone, Android tablet, you'll be able to connect to this small little device. So I will do a small demo so you can see what it does. So it's very easy. You actually have 3 steps. You have step 1 to connect to the Novoconec by selecting the right Wi-Fi network. 2 is basically if you have a certain app, you can actually already start, or otherwise you need to download it. 3 is basically connect to it. So as you can see, we do have an easy to use QR code that we can actually scan it, and then it is actually easy to be connected. What I have here is, for instance, a document. Whether it's a PDF document or Microsoft Office document, it will read it in a native format. So I can basically show you infrastructure that is basically having a wireless router, whether it's in a client infrastructure mode or whether you have a hotspots private mode, you'll be able to connect to this device and have a collaborative session. What I will do is basically show you that I can switch different pages, and the projector will basically display what you have that is seen on my iPad. I would be able to actually also make annotations, and I can circle things, and you'll be able to see it on the screen as well. So if I do any annotations, it's real time, it'll be annotated on the screen as well. What I can do is not only having me as a moderator to be able to show stuff, but I can also have all my other people in the classroom or in the meeting room to connect also to the Novoconec. This means that whether you have an iPad, whether you have a smartphone, whether you have a PC, you also be able to connect to it. So if I do this, I'll do connecting. I'll be able to share a certain QR code so that basically other people within the meeting room would be able to connect to it. And it's just by pressing a certain button, you actually use the QR code scanner, and then you'll be able to be connected to it. Like I can use this one, or I can use another one. This is a smartphone. I'll be able to connect to it. So once I have connected to it, me as a moderator, I'll be able to look at the number of people that are actually in the session and working with me, and I'll be able to also do a certain preview of what they have on their screen to say whether it's something that is relevant to be shown. If I say it's relevant, I'll say yes, it's relevant, but I can also do a certain split screen. So I can say I will share partially the content of the device that is here on the quadrant, and here, for instance, I can show a certain application that is, for instance, a whiteboard. I'll be able to show whiteboard. So we can share pictures as well, of course. We can share videos as well. We can make annotations. We can share videos as well. For instance, if I have an iPhone where I actually have a certain application I would like to show, and I want to show a certain video, I'll be able to show video from my smartphone to the projector. And you can see an environment like a trade show at ISE is still working in a perfect way, and it's very smooth video. So this is our new device that is shown here at ISE, Novoconec, and this is already available. The availability is now this, and the pricing is about €300 end user price excluding VAT. Thank you for your attention.